If you've got questions, we've got answers. My name is Kemi and you're welcome to the Yellow Card FAQ series. Yellow Card offers you different options for your seamless withdrawals. You can also make instant withdrawals manually at the click of a few buttons. Making manual withdrawals on Yellow Card is as easy as 4 quick steps. First, on the Yellow Card home screen, tap Withdrawal. Specify the amount you'd like to withdraw and then tap Next. You'll be prompted to add a bank account. Submit your bank name and your account number and then tap Check Details to proceed. Once your account number is verified, enter your Yellow Card PIN once prompted and then click on Confirm to finalize the transaction. Please ensure that you submit your details correctly so that your withdrawal can be processed on time. Once you've done this, your local bank account will be credited speedily. And that's it. So sign up or log in to start making your best money moves with Yellow Card today.